go. So you can see how the Mark IV DeLorean, the one on the train tracks, actually fits into a 24 scale case, even with the train track section in place. You get an 18 scale case, and you should be able to fit both the Mark I and the Mark II in it diagonally side by side, which I've done before. So let's see here, how did I do it? There, and there, I think. Okay, let's see here. Let's put the cover over top. Let's see, did I get it right? There you go. Now, that means that you can put all 4 of these in there. So, let's go right ahead and do that. There. 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 And there. Now, there we go again. There you go. Good. Okay. Now, I won't try to put them in their empty boxes, of course. That would be a waste of time, but that is 3 of the 4 DeLoreans in place. So, what you do now is you start putting a couple things in boxes. So I'll be right back with those couple of boxes. Alright, so you have the RoboCop box in which I will place the DeLorean Mark III and the RoboCop car. I'll put the extra pieces from the RoboCop right there. So I'll get the RoboCop car out. Here we go. Here we are. So you have to find some bubble wrap for the first car. Not too much, just enough. Actually, all right, put the RoboCop car in here, in the bubble wrap bag. That is essentially what it is, a bubble wrap bag. Wrap it around a couple times. Then put the Mark III DeLorean in the other part of the bubble wrap bag. Here, wrap it around a couple times. Well, actually, put it in upside down so that when I do the wrap around, they can be beside each other in the exact same box, like so. Now, it's a bit of a, I don't think I'd be able to put anything else in there, so that box will have to do as it is. Okay, there you go. And we take the Enterprise D box, and we should be able to, within it, put Herbie, 97 Herbie, and Brian's Eclipse from Fast and the Furious. So that'll be 4 cars that come to the event. And well, 8 cars, technically speaking. See? Herbie and Brian's Eclipse. So again, you find some bubble wrap, and you put these in it. Not this huge amount, more like the small amount. There you go. Alright, okay. This should be enough for Brian's Eclipse. Make sure the bubble side is out, not in. There you go. There you go. Okay, in it goes. Then you have the bubble wrap for Herbie. Again, bubble side is down. Good. Okay, good. All right, here we go. So, there you are. There you go. There you go. And in the box beside the car. Okay, good. So, so those are the model cars that had been taken care of. And let's see if I can get a good picture of the, well, through the glass there's DeLoreans. Okay, so we're going to put them in the box. But first we're going to find the starships and see what we can which starships we're bringing based on which boxes are available. So let me, I know which one the small Enterprise D is going in. Let me see if I can get the boxes of the Discovery starships and put them in one of them. The box kind of fills up everything. The other boxes will have to fit in the bin. Maybe I can fit a few action figures here to pack. Here we go. And then you can put a couple more boxes with models underneath and then put the action figures on top to pad in. Good, that's a very good idea. You want to bring the Defiant, and you want to bring the NX-01. Now, if my memory is correct, those things are going to fit in their respective boxes. So you've got to put all the posters and the poster tubes somewhere else, out of the way, so you can get at them. Because I can see I have the Defiant box already. Alright, so you have to find the Defiant box. So give me a moment to look for that. Oh wait, I see the Enterprise box. I just got to get the chair to stand on the box and find it. Alright, so there's the two boxes. And there are the two models. Because remember, I don't need to bring every single model I built, because that's what I have the portfolio for. Alright, so the boxes are in. Turned out to be 6 cars and 3 or 4 starships. I think it's just 3. So now there's room in the bin to put in more action figures. So back we go to the toy room for an addendum to that video.